Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basic control points. Make sure airplane mode is off and any physical Wi-Fi switch is enabled. Use an Ethernet cable or phone USB tether to keep internet while you work. Next, log into an administrator account so you can change drivers and services. Open Device Manager and expand network adapters. If Wi-Fi hardware is missing or shows a yellow icon, this points to driver or service issues. Once done, proceed to reinstall and reset network components. You now uninstall any problematic Wi-Fi adapter found in Device Manager. Check Delete Driver software for this device only if you will reinstall a fresh driver. After removal, run Windows Update and download the latest driver from the laptop maker or chipset vendor. Use Ethernet or Tether to fetch files. Once installed, restart the laptop. Make sure the WLAN Auto Config service is running and set to automatic. This service controls the Wi-Fi menu. If the adapter reappears, move to Network Stack Reset. You finish by resetting the network stack. Open an elevated command prompt and run netch winsock reset, then netch int IP reset. Reboot afterward. If the Wi-Fi option remains missing, use Settings Network and Internet Network Reset to reinstall networking components, then reconnect to your networks and re-enter passwords. Finally, if nothing changes, reboot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm wireless is enabled, and for removable cards, power down and reseat the module. If hardware fault seems likely, consider a USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.